Hi, I'm Joan Lok. I'm sure many of you who started painting sumie flowers would have already taken lessons of painting morning glories. And I have also conducted morning glory painting workshops before. In this upcoming workshop, however, I'm going to up the ante and bring it to a different level. I'm sure that you have painted morning glories, um, simple flower structures and basic brushwork. What we're going to do in this workshop is we are going to also do the same flower, but we are going to make it more calligraphic, which is kind of half spontaneous style and half meticulous style. So what we will create is in our demo artwork, we will have the contours for all the flowers and leaves. However, they were actually done calligraphically. Some of them are contour first and then fill in the color. Some of them are actually color first and then fill in the lines. So this is a half and half method. And this method is actually favored by many Ningnan masters when they are painting morning glory, especially in bigger pieces such as a full sheets or something that is more significant size. So I would like you to join me in this advanced morning glory painting workshop and see you in my upcoming workshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.